So what's up guys, and again welcome into the new video in which I'm going to show you how to make $0.20 per click. Do you hear that? You don't need to sign up, you don't need to do anything. This has got nothing to do with your experience or your skills. This is just free, guys. So if you are new to this channel, welcome back. And my name is Fadi, lectoz, an internet marketer. And what I usually do into this channel is that I come here, I teach you step-by-step tutorials, tips and guides to make money online. When I work out things out there and they work out for me, I come here and I show you so that you may paste the same thing after copying from my method. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell that whenever I upload a new video, you get notified immediately and you get to use these services first before many others have used it, and you get results as fast as possible. So with that, let's get into the video immediately. Now that you are here in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this works, guys. And if you have ever seen a site like this, that's okay, but there are some new people who haven't seen this. So I would like you to stick step by step and see how you are going to be able to make money from this website. This website is a search engine like Google, like any other search engine. It is working very well, and you can see it saying that it has got more than 9 million users from 190 countries all worldwide. Okay, so how are you going to be able to make money from this website? In here, my phone, if you have an Android phone, you can just come and click here. Okay, you can come and click there. If you have got your PC, this still works for you. If you see something like this here, you will see it like on your right side. You can just click on it. Okay, I will leave the link in the description box below so that you go in the right link. Okay, so how are you going to be able to make money with this website? Because since this is a search engine, for example, let me come here and search like something, how to make a girl fall in love. And if I hit search, this is a search engine and it has got so many things, guys. As you can see here, it is searching. Sorry guys, my internet is very slow for today, but we'll just do for it. My Wi-Fi has got some problem, but let's continue to go. So as you can see here, this is a search engine and it is working just like Google or like any other websites, like searching like Firefox, Google, Bing, Yahoo, Yandex, and so many other, DuckDuckGo, like so many other websites. So in this website, guys, if I go back, I will show you now how you are going to be able to make money with it. If you want to make money $0.20 per click, then this is going to work for you. Okay, and if you are someone who is from like first world countries, you are going to make more. Okay, and if people sign up and they take some of the action, you are going to make money online. So with this, you will come here and click there and you will see that you have got menu here. And in this menu, what you are going to do, because since you want to make money from this search engine, you will come here where you see it is written affiliate. Okay, when you come there and click where it is written affiliate, when you click at the affiliate, it will direct you into the affiliate center, in which you are going to be able to see what is supposed to be done here so that you may be able to make this money. Since I'm using my phone, guys, I will just be zooming so that you may see. Okay, this is working from Android phones and so many other people. I won't make this video long. So as you can see there, as you can see, all of us can see here, it is saying that Earn up to $0.20 for every click. Get paid for every visitor you refer to our free search engine submission. And as you can see here, if I bring it or I zoom it, you see get paid for every click. Will pay you for all clicks you generate, and you can earn up to 0.20 per visitors. Okay, it has got high conversion rate, as you can see, and everyone can join. This is from worldwide. Okay, don't say that, oh Fadi, I am in third world, or I am in a country I don't have phone, I don't have this and this. How can you be unable to join this, and yet you can sacrifice your time and go in the cyber and join Facebook and so many other social media so that you may attain your presence? Come up in this website, sign up, don't have excuses. Okay, so as you can see, it is easy to start. Within minutes from sign up, you'll be up running and have started to earn money from your traffics, which you can get them from Facebook and any other social media accounts which you have got. Okay, as you can see here, it is called that way. So someone may ask me, how does it work? Okay, a visitor clicks on your affiliate banner or link on your site, which guys, I've left the link in the description box below. Once you get and sign up into this website, okay, it will direct you somewhere here. So if it has directed you somewhere here, okay, you will just come here and say click or create your account. I won't take you step by step creating this account, but you will just come here and click there. When you click there, okay, when you click where it is written create an account, okay, when you click there, as it is loading, we will be let's wait and let's see what is going to bring us, because I don't want to make this video so long, guys, because it's very easier and very fast to create your account. Sign up, and once you sign up into this website, you'll be able to start making money and with your affiliate link. Okay, so it's loading, guys. I'm so sorry for this, but we got to wait it, because it's very important for you to know the details which you need to insert here and for you to proceed on. So if it's taking too long like this, I won't continue, guys, because I don't know why it's taking too long, because maybe I'm using my phone. Okay, but it's very easier to sign up into this website. So guys, it's taking long. I don't know what's wrong with it. Yeah, it's taking too long, like I never expected. If I click there on sign up, let me see. It's taking too long. Let's just go back, and it's very easier to sign up into this website. Just sign up, put your details, sign up as a publisher or affiliate, okay, like I've shown you there. So once you sign up into this website, okay, you will be able to start making money online. Okay, maybe on your site it may be looking like this. When you click on the link, it will be like this. So what you will just do when you click at the link, and you see, you will just come and click here, because I know once you click at the link in the description box below, you will come here and click there, and as you can see here, it is showing you bunch of so many things. Okay, this website can help you to do SEO. If you are a writer, an internet marketer who is really struggling to rank on Google so that you may find or get clicks for your articles, this site can do SEO for you. And if they do search engine optimization for your project, you will rank. Okay, this is something that is happening. So once you come here, you will just come and click here on the affiliate, because that's how it shall be. And once you click on the affiliate, it will bring you there. If you want to know more about this site, you can just come here and click on the on these menu things which you are seeing here, and you will learn more. Okay, yeah, so with this website, guys, I won't make it too long, or I won't go too far with this, but as you can see here, you can just come here and see what do I need to become an affiliate. I will earn to earn, okay? That's it. You don't even need a website, but having your own website still helps. You can promote our free search engine submission. This is a search engine, like I said before. It's just promoting it. When people click, you get paid. And when people also upgrade into other services, which you shall find there in the premium sites, like when people buy packages like for them to be ranked on Google, like we call it SEO, when they pay, they also pay you a portion of that money, okay? But here the main thing is these clicks. You can get people and click your link, and you make that $0.20 each and every day, okay? How much will I earn? Like you can see here, it is saying the Entireweb free search engine submission is 100% free service, meaning you often see very high conversion rates and will pay you up to 0.20 per click, which is very real and very working. And they, as you can see, they are saying how and when will I be paid. We pay our affiliate by PayPal. All earnings will be paid on the end of each month for the previous month. All payments are in United States, okay, in US dollars, okay. We do not support other payment methods. Yes, they only support PayPal. The minimum payout value is $50. You must enter your PayPal address when you are signing up. Okay, the main thing, when you are signing up, you need to have also a PayPal address in your affiliate account. Setting in the payout option. Okay, you can still create account for free and add your PayPal email address inside the account. So, what is not allowed? You may not use the Entireweb affiliate program to refer yourself, okay? You cannot create accounts and then you refer yourself. This search engine will detect your IP address, okay? That is what they're trying to tell you here. Because I know many of you will think, okay, I can create like 100 or 200 emails to make money from this. They will detect your IP address and they might block your account, and you will not be able to make money in this account, or they may even block even your money inside here. So what you will do here, as you can see, you cannot refer yourself to the free search engine submission service. The banners and the links of the affiliate program may not be used in spam emails or other activities like blog, comment, spam, forum, spam, etc. and so much. In that case, your affiliate account will be terminated and outstanding commission will not be paid. So I want you to be very careful when you are deciding to sign up into this website and start making money per click. So guys, with that, I will be able to make a future video about this website. So just go into it. This is very easy. Even a child can do this. A grandmother can do this, or a grandfather can do this. This does not require any skills, and it does not require a lot of time. Okay, if you find that value from this website, from this video, then don't forget to hit that like button. And if you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit at the notification bell, that whenever I upload a new video, you get notified. Okay, I hope to make many videos very soon, guys. I have got so much of steps to show you and to tell you step by step on how to do it. So with that, I'm very grateful. See you in the next video. Peace.